Hello. So I made this little wreath kit, but I also added some Prima flowers to it. So I did use my Prima, and it's like little leaves with different decorations, and I did use 4 of them from this pack. And I did get this from Target with the dollar deals, and it was $3, as you can see. And it does show you step by step, but I didn't make it the way they show it here. I made it more round, and let me show you how it came out. So this is how it came out, and these are the Prima flowers that I did use, and the rest is everything from the kit. So the hearts and these little leaves are from the kit, and it does come with the leather cord. So I think I'm gonna hang it in my door of the entrance of my craft room, and maybe I'm gonna put something coming around like this. Maybe, I don't know, it might say my happy place if I do, but I want it in material since this is material. And so I'm going to try to cut it out using my silhouette. I still don't know how to use my silhouette 100%, so that's gonna be maybe a no-go. So that is my little share of the packet that I picked up from Target. I do have an extra one here. I thought I was gonna need it, but I didn't. So I think I'll just put it in the Happy Mail pile. So that's what I did. That's my take on this fall wreath. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, and I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Take care.